Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, manipulate arrays with unshift. Not only can you shift elements of the beginning of an array, you can also unshift elements to the beginning of an array, that is add elements in front of the array. Dot unshift works exactly like push, but instead of adding the element at the end of array, and shift adds the element at the beginning of the array. So here our array contains three elements in the array, and when we use shift, then it removes the first element and forms the array containing only two elements. When we use unshift with a value, then the value is added at the start of the array like this. So let's see the task for this challenge. Add array containing Paul a string and 35 as a number type to the beginning of my array variable using unshift. So my array dot unshift, and in that we will use array with Paul string and 35 as number. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.